All right, so we're gonna play the what if game again. So let's imagine you're running out there to your vehicle now, and you're trying to unlock the vehicle, but it's not unlocking, right? Because of one of two things. Maybe the key fob battery's dead, or maybe the car battery's dead. So now you're in panic mode because you got your supplies in the car, you can't get into the car. So what do? Hey, there's a cool way you can actually get into the vehicle, and let me show you how. All right, so we got the key fob right here. As you can see on the chrome action on the side, right here, there's a little button. You push that button in, and you pull this side right out, and there's a key, a little key shank. All right, next step is walk to your vehicle. All right, so we got our key shank now. We're walking to the vehicle now. You get down here, then you realize, what do I do? There's no keyhole. Hey, don't panic. It's gonna be easy. All you have to do is open up the handle, look down below. There's a keyhole, put it in, turn, and you can get in pretty darn easy. There we go.